It's time for the trip. It's time. Here's the bike. It's all sitting here ready to go. Brand new tires on it, ready to go from that standpoint. Got the GPS mounted on there and connected into power. It's ready to go. And all right, will it all fit? Do you pack for 5 weeks or do you pack for like 2 weeks and then maybe do laundry? Well, I think this is a 2-week and do laundry thing. So what we have here is these really nice compression where you load the thing up and then zipper it again and it compresses down. This is solid. Underwear, shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve, pants, socks, extra shoes, the water bottle. It all goes in the right bag, or the right side bag. Okay, so what goes in the left saddlebag? Well, the left saddlebag is the one that you hope that doesn't open very much. I'm not going to open that one that often. Starts off with, this actually might probably go in the top box. That's the jacket and some of the other jackets. But what we have in here is your chain cleaning kit, cleaner and lube, bike wash, several rags, as many as I can fit in. And then we are going to Alaska and northern Canada. We are at war with bugs. So we have the net that goes over your head, along with the wide brim hat. So I look like a beekeeper, but that keeps the mosquitoes off. Supposedly DEET, both to wipe on and rub on your skin. Then the permethrin for any clothing, all the pants, all the gloves, all the jackets, everything has been sprayed with permethrin. And then bear spray, which when we get into that part will be on the ready on the outside in the holster. And then we have a regular toolkit. My buddies are on metric bikes. I'm on a Harley, which ironically now has a combination of English and metric units. Rain pants, since we are going to tie the bikes down on the Alaska Ferry, we need tie-down straps, so 4 tie-down straps. Tools in case I need to break the back wheel loose, and some other tools for the front. I don't have the tool for the front tire. The other rider has that, and the puncture kit the other rider has. So what goes in the top box? Well, I have the drone and then a case for all the other camera and all the other equipment all set up, ready to go, so it's organized and it can take all the motion. And the stand, the hat that goes in there just because it's really wide. A bag with all the cables. It's amazing how many different cables you need. And then the spare tires. These are the tires that had 6,000 miles on them, took them off. And we'll be carrying those for most of the trip. One of the gentlemen will have a car, he'll have them in the back, but we have to strap these on. And then the 2-gallon extra container, because there are times where we cannot make it from one gas station to the next. So that has to either go in the top box or strapped to the top box. All right, so it all fit somehow, some way, it all fit. All the clothes in this bag, all the drone and cameras and all the equipment in the top box, and the jacket and some spare things, and tools and equipment and rain gear and cleaning supplies all in that box. And then the backrest, I've got the tank, the spare tank, and the 2 spare tires strapped down to my frame that holds on the bags, and that should get me there. Anyway, and a little bit of room left for me to sit on the bike and enjoy the ride. So, Alaska, here we come.